and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the NewzBeat presented to you by ladies like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. Uganda's 10th parliament began its tenure in a strained relationship with the press, resulting from its efforts to control the information on how to run its business. Consequently, editors from The Observer, Red Pepper, Uganda Radio Network and New Vision were summoned by the Parliament's disciplinary committee to substantiate their published stories that were deemed biased by the legislative body. But only the New Vision editors were compliant, and even after the second summoning, the editors from the remaining 3 media houses remained defiant. The Parliament authorities quoted Article 90, subsection 4 of the Constitution of their defense, which allows the committee to summon the journalists involved and demand for their personal presence. Since according to the article, the committee possesses the power of the High Court to oversee the process, but the defiant media houses argue that the Parliament does not have the authority to supervise or control the editorials through the disciplinary committee. The inquiry is being carried out on the orders of Honorable Rebecca Kadaga, the Parliament Speaker, in the relation to published stories of the MP's extravagant trip to the United States of America, in which the media houses reported that 2.1 billion shillings was spent, take 78 MPs to the convention and facilitate them for the duration of the event. But the Parliament authorities say the delegation consisted of only 20 MPs and 5 ministers from the government and 1 East African Legislative Assembly member of Parliament. The press has been crucial in exposing the legislators' excess, like the 150 million shillings cap grant and the routine hikes of their salaries and allowances, and recently proposed expenditure of 68 million shillings per legislator and burial expenses. The legislators were elected to represent their constituencies and now using the law to protect their self-awarded privileges. The Ndembele tribe in South Africa has a lot to teach the nation. Our reporter Tushi Polo is here with more.
The Ndembele tribe of South Africa is globally known for its artistic creativity with pottery, colorful attires, sculptured figurines, beadwork and famous wall paintings as part of its cultural identity. Although the making of ornaments like bracelets and neck rings that the women wear is the Ndembele men's responsibility, the Ndembele women are the official decorators and artists of the Ndembele community, and they don't get bigger than 81-year-old Esther Malangu, who began painting at 10 years of age. South Africa's most prominent tribal painter derives her artistic style from her Ndembele heritage, a skill that was passed on to her by her mother and grandmother in her Mpumalanga village. In 1986, Malangu was discovered by a passing French art dealer who brought her on board, but she gained recognition in 1989 at a European art exhibition titled Magicians of the World. In 1991, German car giant BMW commissioned Malangu to create an art car, and she joined the prestigious list of art car creators like the visionary Andy Warhol that came before her. It was the first art car from the African continent, and Malangu was the first non-Western person or female to undertake the art project. Travel company British Airways then reproduced her prints in 1997 and put her trademark art on the tails of its planes. After 25 years, BMW has once again teamed up with Malangu to create another art car. The BMW 7 Series, decorated with her artwork, will be unveiled this year, and the car will go up for auction in London at the Freeze Fair. Swedish sneaker brand Etis has also teamed up with Malangu to create her special pair. Italian car company Fiat have also employed her artistic flair. She has also joined hands with Vodka for their red campaign in the fight against TB, AIDS and malaria. Although Esther Malangu's work in museums and art galleries worldwide has earned her international stature, she still lives in her own village to keep in touch with her culture and teaches young girls how to paint in an art school where she acts as director. I'm Tushi Polo, reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, Tushi Polo, for that report. The Sweet Potato Vitamin A Research wins World Food Prize. Our reporter Russ Judd is here with the details.
4 scientists have been awarded the World Food Prize. They improved the sweet potatoes and improved millions of lives. They wanted the potato with vitamin A, and found biofortification was the best way. Malnutrition is oftenly caused. Vitamin A deficiency causes blindness and increases mortality. Each year, 140 million preschool children are affected, and scientists are trying to fight it. They've used biofortification, enhancing crops with vitamin A to fight malnutrition. Biofortification is the process to improve the food we eat using agronomic practice, plant breeding and modern biotechnology. The world still faces issues in agriculture productivity. Farmers work hard, but food is not enough for their family. Hunger continues to waste lives and limits potential. We need solutions, not speeches, even if radical human beings may still have a chance with peace, progress, especially good science. I'm Russ Judd, reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, Russ Judd, for that report. Uganda sent one athlete into the Paralympic Games, but made sure everybody would remember his name. David Imong took part in the 1,500-meter race. With only 37 seconds left, he powered into second place. He surprised everyone when he took home the silver, and in Entebbe, he was received as a hero and winner. His determination is a marker in his life ever since he lost use of his arm in 2005. He broke his left arm at the shoulder. Without proper treatment, it looked like it was over. His left arm was permanently disabled, but he made his own destiny despite what he was labeled. Imong began running in primary and never stopped even though he was sometimes teased and mocked, but kept competing and kept winning. Imong has put his best into life and into every race. From Congo to London to Brazil, he has earned his place. An unknown man from Amulata has made history. Since 1972, Uganda has been competing, and he gave the nation its first Paralympic victory. Although he left the country in anonymity, he returned the national hero hailed for his abilities. Every second counted in his historical racing event, and Imong made sure his time was well spent. If there's anybody out there having skills and wants to be part of the NewzBeat team, please send us a video of you presenting a piece, reading news in rap. Mail it to newsbeatuganda@gmail.com or newsbeatuganda@facebook.com. That was the news of the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Yes, follow the beat.